여러분, welcome back with K-Influencer 2025, and this year is my third experience as K-Influencer. Through this video, I would like to say thank you because choosing me as one of K-Influencer this year, and in this mission about topic, special mission about how my reaction and what my motivation as K-Influencer 2025. I'm so glad, I'm so happy as you know here because I to be one of selection to be as K-Influencer again. And my motivation is I want to share with you my moment and my experience through my video content, especially about culture and nature about Korean. I will show you about Korean show performance, about Korean culture, Korean food, and another K-wave Hallyu. So I hope all of you will enjoy with my different topic video in other mission to the monthly mission. Good to see and share with you about Korean as K-Influencer 2025.